Hey, sanibonani ma-MK amahle sethemba ukuthi niyaphila kuwo lesihlanu. Niyabona ama-MK amahle kufanele sivule amehlo sibheke. It can't be, angisho ukuthi ngithini. But it can't be that i-DA ne-ANC ever since the vote counting started nama results bewaveza. It can't be that the ANC ne-DA bona their numbers they remain consistent. Since iqaliwe ukubalwa, the ANC and the DA have been on almost the same number and they are not moving. And how is it that in the Western Cape, the DA, the numbers they seem to be growing, but where else there's other parties like PA who are growing? How is it that the DA is growing, but in Western Cape there is other parties that are also new and getting votes, but the DA is still growing? Kunjalo nje. But when you look at a party like the EFF is struggling now. But i-DA ne-ANC zona amavoto azo ngathi awathinteki nje wona. The results they keep coming, but the numbers of the DA and the ANC look like they are stuck there. Aye man, there's something, these numbers are not numbering. I don't know, maybe if it's just me, mhlawumbe ngiyasangana or something. But there's something that is going on with these results. I've been watching election results for some time now. And this is not the first time ngibheka ama-election results ephuma. But there is something here. Maybe I'm wrong, sizeni ma-MK amahle. But it can't be that the MK is dominating KZN and clearly MK will win KZN. But nationally we can't even get 1 million votes. And then i-DA yona ephethe i-Western Cape, which is less populous than the KZN. Bona they are already over 1 million and they bahambisana ne-ANC. There's something that is not numbering here. But let us keep watching. Kukhona okushaya amanzi la. Sithula siyabuka.